Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Phas and navigating straight to the sound recorder. Select your input, internal or external mic, and set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz and 16-bit for clear audio. Once done, name the file and pick the save folder. Make sure you have more than 10 MB free. You should also check input levels, speak at normal volume, and watch the meter. If the meter clips, lower gain now to avoid distortion. Now you fine-tune levels and monitoring so recordings are usable. Reduce preamp or gain until peaks sit near -6 dB. This gives headroom. Then enable live monitoring and wear headphones to prevent speaker bleed. Next, add a low-cut filter at 80 Hz to remove rumble and turn off any automatic effects that could color the sound. Once configured, do a quick test phrase and listen back to confirm tone and you're ready to record. Press record and start with a 5 to 10 second test take to verify final result. Stop and listen critically. If it's clean, proceed with the full performance. Phas autosaves, but always export a copy when finished. If you hear hiss, clicks, or dropouts, check cables and grounding, switch inputs, or reduce USB hub loads, then run another test. If problems persist, restart Phas and retry. Often a fresh session clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.